Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Vortex Ride. So today is an episode about two-stroke once again. So we are going to test the sound of these two exhaust baffles. Right now, this model you can see has been completely restored by me. So give this video a thumbs up. Right now you can see here this is the stock baffle and this is aftermarket short baffle. Now how both of them affects the performance of the bike. Now which one is better, the stock one or this short baffle, right, in terms of sound as well? Let's find out. The stock baffle is usually longer in length and it definitely has a lot of restriction as well, but it's just according to the design of engine. You can see inside first restriction plate is here and the other one is over here. All right, now this baffle has a light sound. All right, the total exhaust sound damps. All right, almost 80% of the sound damps. Stock baffles are generally good in a city. All right, if you want to ride in the city, all right, you have to commute daily, this thing is good. But I've seen one thing, that with the stock baffle the engine temperature rises slightly more and during your long rides. All right, however, here is the short baffle. The main difference you can see between both, it's shorter in length. All right, it's a direct straight pipe. All right, no restriction in between, and plus you can see the both. Now stock baffle has less ID and the aftermarket baffle has a bigger ID, which means that it has a very less or almost no restriction in the exhaust. All right, with this baffle the engine gets hotter slightly less than the stock baffle. The burnt two-stroke oil flows easily out of this baffle. However, in this stock baffle it stucks here and mostly sticks around your uh, exhaust. One more thing about this aftermarket short baffle is that the power band raises slightly as compared to this stock baffle running in your bike. All right, the your bike feels more light, it pumps a lot of energy slightly more. All right, so there is a definite factor. Just because it has the restriction which causes the more power losses and it has therefore no restriction, so that's why it saves the power and gives us as a mechanical output. So now let us just test the sound of both baffles.